guys, I'm so excited to show you in that video that how much I'm doing good in YouTube. So first of all, where is my IG? So on my IG I'll show you. It's on archive. So on 27th of June, okay, so 27th of June I got 500 subscribers, and after that 28th June, 29th June, in just 2 days, I got pretty much of subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'll show you. So if I go to on my YT studio, so here you can see 956 subscribers. So total subscribers is 956. In just 2 days I got pretty much good crowd on my YouTube channel. So that's why I'm so excited to show you that how much you can do on such a platform like YouTube. So that's what I just want to show you. So thank you guys for your support, and kindly share my videos to your all friends. Thanks.